What is up, guys? Welcome back to Aquatic Worlds. Before we start this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment if you can. So today we are going to be talking about the different types of man-made fish. This consists of genetically altered fish, such as glowfish and things like that, man-made or man-bred fish, like peacock cichlids and other types of cichlids, and physically altered fish, such as tattooed cichlids and other things. So let's jump into it. First, we are going to be talking about genetically altered fish. Genetically altered fish are things like glowfish. It's a mixed opinion in the aquarium hobby. They were originated to try to find pollution in ponds. They were injected with coral and jellyfish DNA. Then when they bred, it started being natural, so there were no more injections. Right now, they have glowfish sharks out, which are rainbow sharks, glowfish danios out, which are zebra danios, and multiple types of tetras. They also have tiger barbs out. I'll show you guys some pictures. Now we are going to be talking about bred fish. First, we're going to be talking about the bubble cheek goldfish. Bubble cheek goldfish are meant to have big fluid sacs on, where their cheek would be. Even though it appears very pretty, and I personally think they are adorable, they're not necessarily good, because since those fluid sacs are so big and filled with fluid, they can easily be popped by aquarium filters and rough decorations. It also affects their eyesight and swimming ability. That's why if you already have one, they tend to stay towards the bottom, because those fluid sacs are almost repelling their swim bladders and making them sink down. Flower horns are a mix between tree mix cichlids and red devil cichlids. They appeared to look very pretty, but are very destructive fish. If you have gravel or decorations in your tank, they will attack it until one of them breaks or one of them dies. That's why if you look at most tanks with flower horns in them, it is just a big empty tank. Because you have to be careful, because they will run into gravel and their big bubble looking thing on their head might get damaged and they might die. That's why flower horns are so aggressive, is because they have aggressive genes from the cichlids. Even though many people like flower horns, I personally do, but they are hard to keep alive due to their temptation. Here's a picture. Peacock cichlids are a hybrid between Alencara cichlids and Mublia cichlids. They are extraordinarily popular, but they are hard to feed because of their oval-shaped mouth. And that is all for the man-made bred fish. Now on to physically altered fish. Physically altered fish is just a horrible way of making fish. They're so popular because what people do to them. The first fish that is very popular when it comes to this are glassfish. They're called painted glassfish because they have a stripe on them, like a pajama stripe. They are injected with dye to have that color. Here's a picture. Another physically altered fish is the peacock cichlid. You heard me earlier mention this in the video. Even though they are man-made, they are also tortured in bad ways. I, as an aquarist, do not like anything with this. I do not like physically altered fish. I am okay if they are bred to be like that, or if they are glowfish, but I personally do not like any dyed fish, and I encourage you to not. Peacock cichlids are dipped in chemicals that not only destroy their slime coat, but also can hurt them. Many die during the process. They are also tattooed. They are taken out of the water and tattooed. Mollies are also very popular when it comes to tattooing fish. They are taken out of the water and tattooed. Here's a picture. You have to remember that all of these physically altered fish will not live as long because their slime coat is destroyed during it. When it's taken out of the water, it will peel off, and that is very harmful to the fish. And then when they are put back into the water, it is much more likely that they will get infected with chemicals since there are all those bad things in the water. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, so like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.